Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. So my name is Vishaka and I am here to celebrate Plum's 9th birthday. Yes, we are on Cloud 9 because Plum turns 9 to celebrate their birthday. They are having a biggest sale of the year. Yes, trust me, if you don't want to miss it, all the products are available up to 50% off and they are providing at least 9 plums on orders above 2000 and use my code HBTPLUM to get another 10% off. So guys, hurry up and get your hands on some exciting goodies from Plum Goodness. So guys, Plum sale is ending super soon as they started from 30th June to 6th July. So guys, hurry up and get your hand on your favorite items. So hurry up guys and get your hands up to some exciting goodies like I have, because I have receiving beautiful goodies from the Plum. So I'm showing you that what I have received in this product. So guys, the first product I have received is this Plum Body Lovin' Body Oil. The fragrance is vanilla vibe. This is a very cute product. You know, how can I say, very beautiful product I have ever received, and this product is suitable for all skin type, especially for dry skin. And this product is nasties free, cruelty free, judgment free. This is 100% vegan guys. If you know that Plum is a 100% vegan brand, and you can use this product for 24 months after packaging, and the product price is 550 for 200 ml. So definitely you should try this. And this product is, you know, the packaging is very cute, and the oil is enriched with 8 nourishing oil, that is coconut oil, avocado oil, almond oil, Brazil nut oil, carrot seed oil, olive oil, grape seed oil, and sunflower oil. Fragrances that you smell in like a yum vanilla cupcake, and this is free from nasties, free from sulfates, free from parabens and many other things like. And this is 100% vegan, as I told you, cruelty free and judgment free as well. And it will leave your skin so nourished. It is a very lightweight and you know, non-greasy formula that will make your skin so moisturized, and it will make your skin so smooth as well. And this will help to moisturize your skin and reduce your skin pigmentation as well. So guys, the second product I have received is this Plum Mandarin Vitamin C 15% serum. This is a very beautiful serum guys. I personally recommend it because I am using it from last 3 years, and this is a very beautiful product. This is best for, you know, if you have a dark spots and if you have a hyperpigmentation, that it will help to reduce your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It is a quick absorbing and very lightweight formula, and this is best for all skin type. But I personally recommend, if you have a sensitive skin, then please avoid this one because maybe it will irritate your skin. It is free from harmful chemicals, it is free from animal ingredients, and you know, if you are a beginner, if you want to try any vitamin C serum, then you should definitely try this one. So I hope that you will like it. Yes, and it will boost your glow, and it is fragrance free, so you should definitely try this one. So guys, the third product I have received is this beautiful Plum Touch and Go lip and cheek tint. So the color shade is 123 Move Along, and guys, it is a very beautiful product. It is very lightweight and easily blend. It is very highly pigmented formula, and you know, this product is free from any sulfate or any parabens. It is 100% vegan product, and it is made from shea butter and almond oil and jojoba oil. It is talc free product, so you should definitely try it. So I love this product. I love the color shade, so you can definitely purchase it, and I love this product. The product is 100% vegan, no animal testing, cruelty. So guys, go and get your product. The link is given below. I hope that you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video too. Bye bye. Happy birthday Plum.